Stuck with the crashhandler64 module DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. While preparing the manual steps for crashhandler64 module, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the crashhandler64 module, a specialized 64-bit library found in thousands of high-volume software suites, from browsers to CAD tools to house 64-bit automated crash reporting logic. If missing, the parent app will report an API bind failure, or will crash silently during an error state without providing a diagnostic log. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because crashhandler64 module DLL is a proprietary component linked to the localized crash reporting, our 64-bit system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with crashhandler64 module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. A vital technical reminder: modifying crashhandler64 module DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on crashhandler64 module. If your workstation is back online and crashhandler64 module is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.